Imagine stepping into a world where time seems to stand still, where ancient history meets modern marvels. Welcome to the Imperial Palace in Tokyo, a must-visit destination for any traveler. This place is a striking symbol of Japan's rich past. Once home to shoguns and emperors, today, it stands amidst Tokyo's bustling metropolis, a serene oasis of tranquility. Picture this: majestic stone walls, moats mirroring the sky, and meticulously maintained gardens where cherry blossoms bloom. The views? Absolutely breathtaking. Each corner of the palace grounds offers a new perspective, a fresh brushstroke on Japan's cultural canvas. So why the Imperial Palace? Because it's not just a place, it's an experience, a journey through time, a connection to history, a feast for the senses. If you crave the extraordinary, the Imperial Palace in Tokyo is waiting. And hey, if you found this snippet intriguing, show some love. Like, comment, and subscribe to Itinerary Infinity. It keeps us going and helps us bring more fascinating stories to you. Remember, your journey to infinity starts here. Until next time, keep exploring.